What is your name? Huh? Ganga Kusmita. Okay. Kusuma. Okay, right. Plus 3 plus 1 plus 2 plus 2. What is the answer? 8 is right answer. Claps. Very good. Balraju, add 3. Very good. Add 1. Again add 1. Malli 1 add chey. 1 కావాలంటే ఏం చేయాలి? Plus 5. What is the answer, Balraju? Very good. Claps. Your name? Plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 5. What is the answer? Right. Devadeep Reddy. Plus 3 plus 1 plus 1 plus 5 plus 2. What is the answer? 7. Very good. Claps. Okay. Avinasha. Plus 2. 2. Add 1. 1 add chey. Now add 2. What is the answer? 5. What is your name? Dikshita. Add 6. Add 1. Add 2. What is the answer, Dikshita? 9 is the right answer. Class for Dikshita. Very good. What is your name? Abhinay Sri. Okay, good. Add 3. Add 5. Now add 1. What is the answer, Abhinay? 9 is the right answer. Class. Your name? Okay, Dharani. Add 6. 6 plus 2. Getiga cheppu. 8 is the right answer. Name? Abdul Rahman. Plus 1 plus 3 plus 5. What is the answer, Abdul Rahman? 9 is right answer. Claps. Very good. What is your name?
My name is
Siddhartha. Plus 2 plus 1 plus 5. What is the answer, Siddhartha? 8 is right answer. Class for him. What is your name?
My name is Sushant.
Sushant. Add 5. Add 1. Very good. Add 3. What is the answer, Sushant?
9.
Very good. Claps. What is your name?
My name is Rajulaji.
Okay. Plus 1 plus 5 plus 2. What is the answer?
8.
8 is the right answer. Please class for him. Very good. What is your name?
Abdullah.
Abdullah. Add 2. Add 5. Add 2. What is the answer, Abdullah?
9.
9 is the right answer. Class for him. Very good. Name? Ni parenti? What is your name? Shanmukh. Add 1. 1 add chey. Very good. Add 5. Very good. Add 3. Add chey. What is the answer, Shanmukh? Count and tell me.
9.
9 is the right answer. Very good, Shanmukh. Your name? Huh? Ashrita. Okay. Plus 5. +2 +1. Ashita, answer. 8 is right answer. Very good, Ashita. Drida. Okay. +6 +2 +1. What is the answer? Very good. Claps. Huh? Jaina. Jarina. +2 +5 +1 +1. Jarina, what is the answer? 9 is the right answer. Claps. What is your name? Okay, Ira, add 1. 1. Add 5. Add 2. What is the answer, Ira? 8 is the right answer. Claps. Your name? Anha. Okay. +2 +1 +1 +5. Anha, what is the answer? Very good. Name? Huh? Huh? Adya Reddy. Okay. +6 +2 +1. What is the answer, Adya Reddy? 9 is the right answer. Clap. What is your name? Jessita. +5 +3 +1. What is the answer? 9 is the right answer. Class for Jessita. Name? Huh? Harshu. +1 +5 +2 +1. What is the answer? 9 is the right answer. Claps. Name? Sucharita. +1 +2 +5. What is the answer? What is the answer? Very good. What is your name? Harshita. Akshita, na? Okay. Okay. +1 +5 +3. What is the answer, Akshita? 9 is right answer. Class for Akshita. Very good. Pawan Tej. +2 +5 +1. Pawan Tej, what is the answer? 8 is the right answer. Class. Lakshmi Narayana. Add 7. Add 1. Again add 1. Mali 1 add check. What is the answer? 9 is the right answer. Class for him. Nani, add 6. Add 1. Add 2. Tell me what is the answer, Nani? 9 is the right answer. Very good. Class. Ayan. Add 5. Add 1. Add 2. Add 1. Ayan, what is the answer? 9 is the right answer. Claps. Harshad. +2 +5 +2. Harshad, what is the answer? 9 is the right answer. Claps. Revant Kumar. +6 +2 +1. Revant Kumar, what is the answer? 9 is the right answer. Class for Revant Kumar. Sai Sumit. +5 +2 +1. What is the answer, Sai Sumit? 8 is the right answer. Please class for him. Very good. What is your name? Huh? Rupesha. Oblesh. Sir, add 1. Add 3. Add 5. What is the answer? 9 is right answer. Claps.